Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everybody. Welcome to our virtual class, and this is Musharraf Hussain, BA Honors MA English, Assistant Teacher English Department. Now this is the 8th class of changing sentence, and in this class we are going to discuss about structural sentence. Structural sentence are of three types: simple, complex and compound. At first we have to know what is meant by compound sentence, by complex sentence or by simple sentence. Compound sentence means one kind of sentence that contains two principal clause and one coordinating conjunction. Complex sentence means two principal clause and a subordinate conjunction, but after connecting by the subordinate conjunction from the two principal clauses, one clause will be subordinate and other will be principal. And simple sentence means one sentence which contains a subject and a finite verb and an extension. That means there will be no existence of a conjunction and there can be only phrases, one more phrases or one phrase. The students, look at the whiteboard. This is a compound sentence. This is an example of compound sentence because the sentence contains a coordinating conjunction but. So if we want to discuss about compound sentence or complex sentence, that means structural sentence, at first we have to discuss about conjunction. Conjunction are of two types: subordinating or coordinating, and but, or, etc. These are coordinating conjunction. That, so that, if, unless, though, although, when, while, where, how, which, these are subordinating conjunction. If we find any coordinating conjunction like and, but, or, then the sentence will be compound. And if we find any subordinating conjunction like that, so that, if, unless, though, although, then the sentence will be complex. And if we do not find any conjunction, then the sentence will be simple. This is the example of compound sentence because there is a coordinating conjunction but. Now we are going to transfer the sentence to complex. If we want to do complex sentence from the compound containing but, for but we have to use here though or although. The students, we have to use only one. You can use though or although. After that, this sentence without any change we have to use in the complex. Though or although she is poor, we have to use comma in the place of but, and then the next sentence, she is happy. The students, though or although, these are subordinating conjunction. So this sentence is complex but is coordinating conjunction. So this sentence is compound. Now we are going to discuss about simple. If we want to discuss about simple from the compound sentence containing but or from the complex sentence containing though or although, we have to use here at first in spite of or despite. We have to use one only, in spite of or despite. Then what is the subjective in the compound or what is the subjective form in the complex? The subjective will be possessive. She is subjective case and her is possessive of she. Then we have to use the verb. The students, this is be verb. Am, is, are, was, are will be present participle. Being. Am, is, are, was, are will be being in the simple sentence. The students, In this sentence, in the simple sentence, there is no conjunction, subordinate or coordinate, there is no conjunction. So this is simple because this is a subject and a finite verb and an extension. Subject, finite verb and extension. But in the complex sentence, there are one more sentences. When we find coordinate conjunction, then the sentence will be compound, and when we find subordinate conjunction, then the sentence is complex. Yes, students, in another way we can transfer the compound or complex to simple. In another way, the way is after using in spite of or despite and using possessive case without using the verb as present participle, we can use the adjective making noun. Poor, the word is adjective, and what is the noun form of poor? The noun form of poor is poverty. In spite of or despite her poverty, she is happy. The students, both the sentences are simple. If we use present participle, then we do not need transfer the parts of speech. But when we use in the sentence without present participle form, then we have to use the word as noun. Without doing noun, we cannot use here poor. Possessive case cannot accept adjective. Possessive case accept only noun. Poor will be poverty. Rich will be richness. Happy will be happiness. Dear students, from the compound sentence, we can transfer to complex to simple. That means the compound sentence containing but can be transferred to complex with though or although, and the compound sentence can be transferred to simple with in spite of or despite. And after using in spite and despite, we have to use here possessive case of subjective, and then there is two ways. One is with present participle and the other is without using present participle. If we use present participle, then we have to use the word that is in the compound and complex without any change. But when we do not use present participle, then the word will be noun. Adjective will be noun. Dear students, look at the whiteboard carefully. Compound will be complex and compound will be simple in this way. Like that, complex sentence will be compound and complex will be simple. In this way, simple will be complex and simple will be compound. Dear students, I hope you have understood the class very well. This is the first class of structural sentence. Dear students, if there is any problem, then you can inform us by writing comment in the comment section. Good day everybody, stay well and stay safe. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.